Hi, it's Karan Brady with Karan Brady Interiors. I'm showing you today one of my latest projects in the Beverly Hills area. This home is a Paul Williams design, built in 1941 originally, and we've revamped it. So lots of interesting design touches to give it that elevated feel. So let's go have a look inside. So this is a precursor basically for what the rest of the house will look like. It's really kind of a mixture of antiques, layering, textures, makes it very curated. And that being said, follow me in here and we can talk about the living room. We used a lot of the original components that were here. All the beams are original, and we added in a lot of the Ralph Lauren furniture and found pieces. We did a lot of flea market shopping, like, a wooden jug from the Paris flea market. Those are the types of things that make your place feel special. And so the chandelier is from Italy. It's a wow factor, and it makes it feel like there's a touch of being luxurious in here. So the nice part about this room and about the rest of the house is that the inside sort of bleeds to the outside. It just all really works together. This is the place where everyone is congregated and relaxing, but now we can walk into the place where the work is done so that someone can actually afford this house. So here we are at the office. It's very masculine in here. And why did we add a bar? Because every good office needs a bar. Inspiration was old Hollywood movie star, smoking a cigarette, having a martini. Not that that all happens in here. We have some of the dark brown, which reads very office, but we also have the white shutters that lead into sort of a natural space, which I think the combination of the two makes this room a place where you really want to spend a lot of time. So here at the top of the stairs, we have the primary suite, but my favorite place to show you right now is the guest room. This feels to me like country English estate, someplace where you go for the weekends to relax and enjoy yourself and be part of nature. It makes sense that I would have the Ralph Lauren furniture pieces because I did work for the home collection 13 years. And this all kind of flows into the main room. The textures are all soft, they're inviting with all the different throws and the different furs. Overall, this room is just that wonderful getaway. Outside, you're gonna find lots of entertainment spaces, but this is kind of the end all. This is our koi pond. This koi pond wasn't originally here, so we added a couple elements to the outside. This space is made up of the bamboo, the water element, and of course, our koi. And out here, we have our golf hole. I think the owner thought he was gonna be Jack Nicklaus, but I'm not sure. We've got a tennis court, we've got the bowling alley, we've got the guest house which overlooks the tennis court. And don't forget the pool, and you have your very own piece of classic Hollywood. Thank you so much for stopping by. I hope you enjoyed it.
Before you go, let us know if you enjoyed this video. Drop a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more exclusive tours.